Indulgence by TKM unboxing time.
Now, I don't know about you, but when it comes to unboxing anything, I'm like a big old kid in a candy store. Now, here's the thing. When you order so much, whether it be personal or when it comes down to ordering supplies, you don't even know what's in the box half of the time, to be honest with you. But anyway, shout out to Amazon and their overnight shipping. Some of the stuff that you see here is stuff that I ordered throughout the week, so I figured I'd put it all together and just do one big unboxing. Um, let's see what's in this box. Let's see. All right, I know what this is. This is our 3 tumbler boxes, all right, for our gift sets. The only thing I don't like is the fact that I'm going to have to put it together to assemble it. That part right there could be a little bit tedious, but we're going to keep our fingers crossed. All right, these are some extra wicks. Now, here's the thing. I needed some size, let me see, some size 10 wicks. That's what it was. And it was like the last minute. I had already received my wicks from Candle Science. And I'm like, oh my goodness, what am I going to do? So I decided to get some wicks from Amazon. I've never done that before. So hopefully these wicks work out. This is just basically some shredded paper. Red shredded paper, obviously. I'm going to place that in the boxes. Make it look real cute and pretty. And this right here is, I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. But it's, I guess it will do. That's styrofoam. I'm going to place that in the box as well. As you can see, I went ahead and cut out some styrofoam sheets. Every time we order the tumblers, styrofoam comes in there. So I try to make the best of it. Hubby was like, you know something, we should just save it. Because actually, I wasn't thinking about saving it. I was going to honestly throw it in the garbage. And he was like, nah, just save it and let's just cut it up and we could stick it in a box and, you know, give some extra, not cushion, but basically support. So that way the tumblers don't break. And that's definitely a good idea. All right, these are mini black 4-ounce tumblers. I thought honestly it was going to be a little bit more gold on the inside. I know the light right now is reflecting, but anyway, it's going to do. It's going to work. It's going to pair perfectly with our regular tumblers. And that is it, my loves. Time to move on. All right, boxes are in as you saw, and we're going to do some product packaging just to see how everything goes. All right, so we're going to do a little testing out of our product packaging to see whether or not if this is going to work out. Hubby and I were playing around with it to kind of figure out what's the best route to take, and I think this right here is the best way to get it done. So I'm going to take some tissue paper. This box just does not want to stand up. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. I'm going to try to get the paper flush into the box. And then, you know what? Let's add some of our shredded paper. Hopefully I'm not adding too much because I want our product to fit into the box without any problems. And I would hate to have to like pack it up and then realize that the tumblers don't fit flush in the box. Then I'm going to have to start all over. It's really important to make sure all of your products that you send out is like pristine, nice and clean. You know what I mean? I mean, after all, that's just the right thing to do. Even if the person is receiving it as a free gift, it doesn't matter. Presentation is everything. So I'm going to go ahead and clean my tumblers off with some isopropyl alcohol. Wipe it down really good. This collection consists of Butt Naked, Orgasmic Pleasures, and Bedroom Shenanigans. However, after setting up the website, Google was like, the names are a little raunchy, all right? So I went in and I changed the name. So Bedroom Shenanigans is now Whispered Desires. Butt Naked is now Nude Radiance. And Orgasmic Pleasure is Intimate Allure. I think the names that we came up with this time around is so much better. It says more luxe, and it's just better. It works better. As you can see, we were able to close the box no problem. We're going to put on those little sticky tabs, you know what I'm saying? Give it that luxe feel. And of course, we're going to go on with our bow, and we are done. While doing product testing, an actual pre-order came through, and this is one of our pre-orders. Now the cool thing about it is this person ordered 2 candles, which is a great thing. And for the 2 candles, right, we're going to be using our tubular box, which is this box right here, and this is gorgeous. We're going to place the red bow on top to give it that little oomph and some extra personality. And the packaging, in my opinion, is absolutely gorgeous, not to mention the candle. Oh my goodness. This particular candle is Endless Conversation, and the scent notes are plum, red wine, amber, just to name a few. The fragrance notes are so complementary, they work perfectly together. Also, in order to assure that our candle arrives to its destination without any type of disruption or breakage, we're going to place it into bubble wrap. Then we're going to place it into our container, of course, cover it on down. We're going to take 2 seconds to admire our beautiful packaging. We're also going to add 2 sticky tabs to both sides to reinforce and also make sure that our container stays closed. Make sure it's sealed tight. And this order is going to go out today along with the other order that our customer ordered. Now, here's the thing. I'm super excited, super stoked. I can't wait for her to receive this order because I know the feedback is going to be amazing. Our candles, not only does it has a great hot fragrance throw, but a cold fragrance throw as well. So by the time you open up this box, you're going to be smelling, trust me, it's going to be so worth it. And of course, that's about it. Indulgence by TKM.com, and I catch you later.